Get tired of waking up early, going for a run, coming back, and being ready once more for a new task, just fed up with these efforts. When the struggles get so high that you think of giving up, leaving the comfort zone and the cozy bed in the early morning when you just slept at 4 in the morning and you have to wake up at 4:30 to be ready for the run. This hustle, these challenges makes you break down. No matter how hard your efforts are, but you don't choose to compromise with life. You opt to fight back, to be resilient with life. When your friends are enjoying their life, they are partying around, and for you, it's the time to hustle. For them, the party starts, and for you, the work begins. They are moving back from the club at 4 in the morning, and you are preparing yourself for a new task at that time. Sometimes this hustle gets so high that you thought to give up, to step back. When your resilience gets so high that you think of just surrendering yourself to the thought of leaving the game in the middle. It is that moment when you have to realize yourself that it is the time when life tests your caliber. Life will get hard on you. It will check how strong is your conviction towards the goal, how determined, how stiff you are from inside, how rigid, how high is your belief. Life will test you against all odds. But it is you who has to take the decision to stick with the thought of not giving up. When you feel down and you are sure that this time I can't face the challenge, then give yourself a new chance, a new try to mess up and to fight. The fight gets so long that the hustle feels low now. You don't feel the pain in working hard to rise up early morning, the struggle of being alone and leaving the leisure time. But now you enjoy this hustle, this struggle. You know this. When all this will get over, then you will have a golden time, a peace of mind. Then you can say proudly to yourself and to others, struggles pay back, dear. And for this you have to focus on your work. Your surrounding too matters, dear. The guys around you are giving up. They can't resist no more. They have declared themselves a loser. They know they can't fight further. Their belief in themselves is no more now. Leave this kind of surrounding now, instant, as quick as can be. Don't follow this circle. Come out of this negativity. Focus on yourself. Focus on the positive vibe. Remember, every moment which lets you to give a thought of leaving the fight in the middle, oppose it. Be rebellious with it. Challenge the negativity around. Try pushing yourself forward. Regain faith in yourself. Remember all the achievement done by you in the past, how you struggle with life. Remember the decision of yours to live in discomfort rather than to choose comfort zone. You are on a long journey. You are close to your destination. Make sure the closer you get to it, the bigger the struggle will get to be. This fight, this hustle, this discomfort will not be over any time. It is here, it will be there, and it will be everywhere. Wherever you move, the hurdles will challenge you every time. They will follow you on every way to make sure that you don't get successful. When you prepare yourself both ways, emotionally as well as physically, suddenly a problem happens and you make a thought of giving up. No! Don't do this. Don't try even. Your struggle is so high. You are so close to your destination. A problem comes in and you think to give up. How many times how you will do this? You can't predict problems. They can come often or they can be repetitive also. And every time they will come on your way, you will give up. Wait. Take a break. Keep yourself isolated. Think again. Bring positivity. Don't jump directly on taking a hard decision and even so far. Ask yourself that why should I give up? Why should not I be resilient? Why should not I fight back? Convince and prepare yourself for the fight. Let the person inside you knows that you are not gonna leave. You will not move back. You have to remember there is no safe place in the entire universe. Wherever you go, you have to mess, you have to struggle, you have to hustle. Big thing comes after a big hard work. So in life too, if you are surrounded by problems and challenges, doing hard work on and on, but nothing gets materialized, then don't be negative, but assure yourself that something big is there for you.